para matawag na Athlete of the Year, dapat within global level ang recognition na kanilang na-achieve. And I believe our selection committee made an impressive and correct decision. I'm sure you've heard their names, left to right. Naging matunog talaga ang kanilang napagtagumpayang achievements in 2024.
And muli to our generous sponsors for the many gifts that our athletes will be receiving, including our Women Athlete of the Year. Maraming salamat. Our presenters are ready to welcome her on stage. So, Carlo, please do the honors.
For the awarding of the Women Athletes of the Year, we have our PSC members here out front. Ladies and gentlemen, the first recipient of the Women Athlete of the Year, Paris 2024 bronze medalist, Ira Villegas. And representing Ira will be her teammate, Lisa Paswin, joining us on stage.
Ira Villegas made a grand debut at the Olympic stage after an impressive debut performance during the country's team at the Paris 2024 Summer Games. She secured one of the nation's bronze finishes in the women's boxing after competing with the best of the best in the women's 50-kilogram event. Ira secured her Olympic debut ticket after a unanimous victory over her Bulgarian counterpart at the first World Qualification Tournament.
Another round of applause, please, for Miss Ira Villegas, represented by Miss Lisa Paswin. And our next recipient of Women Athlete of the Year, it goes to Paris 2024 bronze medalist, Nesty Pedestro!
She's not new to the Olympic scene and has proven it by winning yet another Olympic medal at the Summer Games. On the very small list of Filipino Olympians have brought home 2 Olympic medals in their athletic careers. Nesty medal in the Tokyo 2020 Olympics after a silver finish in the featherweight event, to which she secured the title as the first Filipina to win a boxing medal in the history of Philippine sports.
Pero ang pangako ni Nesty sa ating lahat, walang ito hanggang walang ito.
Palagpakan natin our Athlete of the Year for Women in Sports. Congratulations, Nesty Pedestro. Maiksing mensahe para sa ating awardee. For presenters, maraming salamat po. Congratulations. Tulungan ka muna namin sa iyong napakaraming regalo.
Nesty, your message, maglalamig ka, pero kailangan namin makarinig ng speech mula sa iyo, Nesty. The only 2-time boxing Olympic medalist in Philippine history.
Kailangan ko talaga ako sa mga ganitong sitwasyon ng buhay ko. The chairman, PSC chairman, Richard Bachman, sir, PSC commissioner, PSC staff na nag-organize ko dito, NSC officials, sa mga sponsors of course, at sa lahat ng awardees, at sa kapwa ko mga atleta, good evening po, ating lahat. At sa lahat po ng mga kababaihan na nandito ngayon, Happy Women's Month po. Hindi na ko tapos po. Ako po pala yung speech ko. Intro lang po yun. Sila si Pedestro po ako from Sub-Saharan, Santa Cruz, Mindanao! Wala. Wala nakikita. Hey, kumula! Una po, I would like to personally thank Commissioner Bongku. Ma'am, thank you po for inviting me sa this prestigious event. Oh, nahirapan ako magbasa, Diyos ko. For women sports, and thank you for this Momentum's Award po. Grabe, sobrang honor po na matawag akong athlete of the year po sa mga kababaihan. So, isa to sa bucket list ko and ito, na-unlock ko na. Tall, strong, fearless, and inspiring women out there. Every challenge you face is a chance to grow stronger. Lahat ng pagsubok na dumadating sa atin ay may dahilan. Either to teach us a lesson or to push us towards something greater. As women, we carry strength in our hearts, resilience in our souls, and courage in our spirit. Hi, Coach. Shout out sa coach ko pala. Thank you. Coach Michelle. Ginawa ko ng concert ko. I have faced struggles inside and outside the ring, pero hindi ako sumuko. Every punch, every fall, every doubt only made me stronger. Kaya gusto kong ipaalam sa inyo, you're capable, you're powerful, you're unstoppable. Huwag hayaang pigilan ay ng takot ng ibang tao. Sinasabi nilang, dahil babae lang tayo, hindi. Babae ka, hindi. Hindi ka babae lang, hindi babae ka. So, nalito kayo, no? Pati ako, nalito ko. Servicewoman, I am a proud member po ng Philippine Coast Guard. Or a mother, a daughter, or a dreamer. You matter po. Hindi mo kailangan humingi ng permiso para mangarap. You are enough. You are strong. You are one of a kind. So keep going po. Let's support and uplift each other. Mas matibay tayo kapag nagtutulungan. The world needs more women who dare to dream, break barriers, and never back down. Don't forget, you are kind, you are amazing, and you are important. So lahat ng mga kababaihan dyan, laban na po. Walang hinto, hanggang walang hinto. Salamat po.
Once again, please give a warm round of applause for two-time Olympic medalist and our Women Athlete of the Year, Nesty Quintesio. At this point, we would like to invite back our official mascot for Women in Sports, Mia, for a photo op with our two-time Olympic medalist, Nesty Quintesio. We also congratulate, of course, Aida Villegas for winning the same award.
I super love what Nesty said, di ba? Tama yun eh. Babae ka. Hindi, babae ka lang. And now we've really proven, you know, how women can overcome challenges, excel in sports that were once dominated by men only. At isa na to, sa mga nagpapatunay ng kakaibang lakas ng kababaihan. A big hand for Nesty Quintesio! On behalf of all the Sports Awards Committee, we would like to thank our sponsors tonight for being our partners in recognizing the milestones delivered by the Filipino women in Filipino sports. Cell Logistics, Technico Sports Spray, Milo Philippines, the ever-supporting partner of the PSC. We also have these sponsors today: Dior, Jergens, Nam Quang Seaweed, Hot Duck Stir Fry Ramen, and Sultana's Biscuits. Raising a healthier you. This event is also supported by Silka. Kindly like and follow their official social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Listen, Caronia, Casino Etil Alcohol, Gamit
kilogram soap and Omega Advanced Spray for the boost tonight. Mr. Cookie Fuse Sandwich Cookies, the awesome cookie for everybody. Bowling 300 and the Bowler, Grace and Abundance Sports Care Taylor. And we want to thank our sponsor Boots as well. Mabuhay kayo. OMG. OMG Memories, V-Spot, and Security Bank.
It has been an amazing celebration of Filipina in sports. May it be athletes, coaches, support staff, and our decision makers. And there's no better celebration of International Women's Month than this, itong ating award. So we thank the Philippine Sports Commission for setting everything up. We thank everyone who toiled, who worked, and everyone who made us proud throughout 2024. And we are hoping and praying for more success in your future come 2025. Ako po si Carlo Momentuan. It has been my honor hosting this event for you.
On behalf of the hard-working men and women of the Philippine Sports Commission, ako naman po si Liza Diaz. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Mabuhay ang ating mga Filipina athletes. Congratulations! Cheers and happy Women's Month to everyone. Thank you all.
And the most awaited part of this program, the buffet is now open. Enjoy your dinner, everyone.
Have a great Saturday, everybody. Maraming salamat po.
Everyone can get their food at the booking station on your right side. Again, everyone, you can bring your food at the booking on your right side.
Babalayan ko po yung table para makakuha po kayo. Okay, salamat po. Tapos.